next example of if statements comes from the world of high finance. So we'll talk a little bit about stock options and a strategy called a straddle strategy, which will make you money if a stock goes up a lot or down a lot, but will lose you money if the stock price doesn't move very much. So you say you don't understand call and put options. Well, you will in a minute. So what does a call option do? It pays you $1 for every dollar the stock price rises above a price called the exercise price. So if the stock exercise price is, the option exercise price is $50 and the stock goes to 51, you get $1. Goes to $52, you get $2. $53, you get $3. $49, you get nothing. $48, you get nothing. Call option is betting the stock will go up. What does a put option do? It's a bet the stock will go down. Every dollar the stock goes below the exercise price pays you $1. So again, if the exercise price is $50, if the stock goes to 49, you get $1. If it goes to 48, you get $2. 47, you get $3. But if the stock goes above the exercise price to 51, 52, etc., you get nothing. So basically, let's consider a situation where you buy a $50 exercise put and a $50 exercise call, each for $3. The current stock price is $50, so it's reasonable to assume the stock might go, when these options expire, let's say in 6 months, down to 35 or up to 65. How does our profit vary with the final stock price? Well, we'll use if statements to find the put profit, then the call profit, and then add them together. So I can say if the final stock price, that's what the price column represents, is less than or equal to 50, at 50 I don't make anything, then basically I would get $50 minus where the stock price went. And of course I have to pay my $3 to buy that put. So here I should make, I guess, $12. And then it's going to go down. And then finally I would lose the $3 if the stock price goes up or remains unchanged. I lose the cost of the put. But then the call comes in. There's your formula. So I'd say if the stock price is greater than or equal to 50, then I'll get the stock price minus 50. Otherwise, I'll get 0. So there I would lose my $3. So I forgot the minus $3. I've got to pay for that call. Okay, so I lose $3 there. And I'll lose $3 until the stock price goes above where it was. Now I lose $2, lose $1. I break even there. I make $1, 4 minus 3. And the profit is just going to be the sum of the put profit plus the call profit. That's $9. And what you can see, we can graph this in a minute. If the stock goes 43 or below 44, I make money. If the stock goes above 56, I make money. But in between 44 and 55 here, 45 and 55, I would lose money. So basically you can see that the straddle pays off when the stock moves a lot, like we said. So now if I want to summarize this in a chart, I would select the range, and I guess I could do a scatter chart. Insert, scatter, line chart's good. So if I move this over, we can discuss the chart a little bit. Okay, so you can see the blue is the payoff on the put. So it goes down as the stock price goes up, and then it flattens out. The orange is the payoff on the call. Okay, it starts out -3, and then it goes up. And if you add them up, you get the V there, like the TV show with the aliens. And basically you can see in the middle you're going to lose money, but as you move the stock price a lot down or a lot up, the gray part of the chart, the V, is above 0, showing that if the stock price drops a lot or goes up a lot, you will make money with the straddle. But if the stock price hardly moves, you will lose money with the straddle. And we could model with if statements other common option strategies. I think there's a strangle, a butterfly spread, etc. And we may do videos on that in the future.
Okay, so thanks for watching, and there's a free course, a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, and all of these videos are coming from one of 3 books. So first, this one, which you can see here at the top of the screen, Microsoft's book, which has 355 reviews, and then it's, let's see, 4.6 stars. It's coming from this book as well, his marketing analytics book, which is down here, and you can sort of see 4.5, or his newest book, his analytics stories book, which is here. And with that one, you can see it's 4 point something, or maybe even 5. I don't think it's 5. Yeah, 4.8. And so, yeah, anyways, in the description, there's a free 21-day course from Dr. Winston, or you can go to excelwithwayne.com/free, and it'll be there. But again, thanks for watching, and if you have any questions, just please let us know. Thanks.